Alright, so this section, 2.5, we're talking about perpendicular lines. I'm sure you've heard of perpendicular lines before. We're going to have the formal definition here. They look like this, right? What do you notice about these perpendicular, or what do you notice about these lines? They cross. I agree that they cross. What else? There we go. Okay, so now we can start talking about it a little bit. So for us, I'll go in green here. So here's the definition for us. So we're going to say two intersecting lines So we have to have two lines that cross, right? So two intersecting lines are perpendicular if what? Yeah. If they intersect. Ooh, you guys are seeing all kinds of great things. If they intersect at right angles. Okay, so that right there is our definition. Two intersecting lines are perpendicular if they intersect at right angles. And you caught on to something there. They create four right angles. So that's a right angle there, that's a right angle there, that's a right angle there, and that is a right angle there. You'll never see it actually drawn like this in a book, okay? Because we now know that vertical angles are congruent, right? And if one pair is 90, if one angle is 90 degrees, then the other ones automatically have to be. So you'll only ever see it like that. There's a symbol that we're going to use, the perpendicular symbol. Notice I have line L, which is that horizontal one, and I have line M, which is that vertical one. So we can say this. We can say line L is perpendicular to line M. And this is the symbol that we're going to use for it. That symbol right there. It's an upside down T. That symbol means perpendicular. Okay, how do we go about using the definition of perpendicular? We can use it in two ways. We can do it in two ways. Okay? First, and both of them are if-then statements. Remember these things? Okay, here's the first way. Here's how we can use the definition of perpendicularity. Okay? If, we could say this, two lines are perpendicular, then all four angles are what? Could you tell me? Are right angles. There you go. And RT period is right, and then the angle symbol with an S is angle. So you're allowed to do that. In geometry, you're allowed to do that shorthand. So here's one way. If two lines are perpendicular, then we know this. All four angles are right angles. Angles, right angles. RT period, angle symbol, and S, angles. Okay? So if one or more of angles formed by two intersecting lines is 90 degrees, then what can we say? If one or more of the angles formed by the two intersecting lines is 90 degrees, what can we then say? Yeah, there you go. Then the lines are perpendicular. Then the lines are perpendicular. And that's the symbol for perpendicular, right? We're allowed to use that. Sound good? Sound good?